Study vocabularies of phrases. Number one, action, các bạn chỉ xâm lị. Number two, knowledgeable, là biết trong này đẳng. Number three, very friendly, là rủ rì rẹp đẻ. Number four, treat somebody like friend, chắc tục nên ai mà nẹ chỉ mật đẻ. Number five, checkbook, sự phâu sắc xa, sự phâu bóng. Number six, great food, chốt bò bọc bé. Number seven, admire, sở sở. Number eight, sharp, trong phâu. Number nine, great mentor, nẹ nai non đà lọ. Conversation about a teacher. Conversation about a teacher. សន្ទនាអំពីគ្រូម្នាក់ Who is your favorite teacher? Who is your favorite teacher? តើនរណាជាគ្រូដែលអ្នកចូលចិត្ត I like Mr. Tom the most. He is my English teacher. I like Mr. Tom the most. He is my English teacher. ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តលោក Tom ជាងគេគាត់ជាគ្រូបង្រៀនភាសាអង់គ្លេសរបស់ខ្ញុំ What do you like about his lessons? What do you like about his lessons? តើអ្នកចូលចិត្តអ្វីអំពីមេរៀនរបស់គាត់ I have fallen in love with his American accent and he always shows us something new about the world outside of textbooks. I have fallen in love with his American accent and he always shows us something new about the world outside of textbooks. ខ្ញុំលង់ស្នេហ៍នឹងការបញ្ចេញសំឡេងអាមេរិករបស់គាត់ហើយគាត់តែងតែបង្ហាញយើងនៅអ្វីដែលថ្មីអំពីពិភពលោកនៅខាងក្រៅសៀវភៅសិក្សា What's he like? What's he like? តើគាត់មានលក្ខណៈបែបណា He's not only knowledgeable but also very friendly. He always treats us like friends, not students. He's not only knowledgeable but also very friendly. He always treats us like friends, not students. គាត់មិនត្រឹមតែចេះដឹងទេថែមទាំងរួសរាយរាក់ទាក់ទៀតផងគាត់តែងតែចាត់ទុកយើងដូចជាមិត្តភក្តិមិនមែនសិស្សទេ What does he usually wear when coming to class? What does he usually wear when coming to class? តើគាត់ស្លៀកពាក់អ្វីនៅពេលចូលរៀន He usually wears a grey suit when he comes to class. He usually wears a grey suit when he comes to class. ជាធម្មតាគាត់ស្លៀកឈុតពណ៌ប្រផេះនៅពេលគាត់មកដល់ថ្នាក់ Do you love his subject? Do you love his subject? តើអ្នកស្រឡាញ់មុខវិជ្ជារបស់គាត់ទេ Yes, I enjoy English a lot. Yes, I enjoy English a lot. បាទខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តភាសាអង់គ្លេសណាស់ Do students in your class like him? Do students in your class like him? តើសិស្សក្នុងថ្នាក់របស់អ្នកចូលចិត្តគាត់ទេ Yes, all of us admire him. Yes, all of us admire him. ត្រូវហើយយើងទាំងអស់គ្នាសរសើរគាត់ Do you want to be a teacher like him? Do you want to be a teacher like him? តើអ្នកចង់ក្លាយជាគ្រូបង្រៀនដូចគាត់ទេ No, although I like him, my dream is not to become a teacher. I would like to be a chef. No, although I like him, my dream is not to become a teacher. I would like to be a chef. ទេទោះបីជាខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តគាត់ប៉ុន្តែក្តីស្រមៃរបស់ខ្ញុំគឺមិនមែនចង់ក្លាយជាគ្រូបង្រៀនទេខ្ញុំចង់ធ្វើជាចុងភៅ Have you ever been punished by him? Have you ever been punished by him? តើធ្លាប់ដាក់ទោសអ្នកទេ? No, he really punishes anyone. No, he really punishes anyone. ទេគាត់កម្រដាក់ទោសអ្នកណាម្នាក់ណា. Do you want to see him again? Do you want to see him again? តើអ្នកចង់ជួបគាត់ម្ដងទៀតទេ? Of course, he's a great mentor. Of course, he's a great mentor. ជាការពិតណាស់គាត់ជាអ្នកណែនាំដ៏ល្អម្នាក់. Study vocabularies or phrases. Number 1. Action ការបញ្ចេញសំឡេង. Number 2. Knowledgeable ដែលមានចំណេះដឹង. Number 3. Very friendly ដែលរួសរាយរាក់ទាក់. Number 4. Treat somebody like friend ចាត់ទុកនរណាម្នាក់ជាមិត្តភក្តិ. Number 5. Textbook សៀវភៅសិក្សាឬសៀវភៅពុម្ព. Number 6. Grey suit ឈុតពណ៌ប្រផេះ. Number 7. Admire សរសើរ. Number 8. Sharp ចុងភៅ. Number 9. Great mentor អ្នកណែនាំដ៏ល្អ. Thank you.